Pane, apa yung tangguyog? Agoni dahil ito? Agoni pa. Kita ka ng gato? This is tangguyog. Tangguyog. This is a horn of Nuang. And this one is the Borges plancha. This is a flat iron. Put in some charcoal to make it hot. Also, mortar and pestle. Of course, coconut shell. This is another hut here. Gaman yun ito yung pakita. Ito yung this one is the noodle. Some vegetables here. This is one is the kasama. This kasama noodles made of saluyot.
Saluyot, marunggay, and kamutik.
Kamutik. So this is a nutritious noodle because it's composed of 3 different vegetables. So again, malunggay, at kamote. This is another hot here. Alaman din po ito kayo nalagay.
Balayba, dalutan, karabas.
Pakita naman tayo, balayba. This is balayba. Seaweed, seaweed ano? Alati. Karayan. Riverweed. Riverweed. Seaweed. It's taken from the river.